The first job I ever got was at the Hub, like the clothing store, the one with the white and blue logo, blue and white logo. And it was so easy getting that job. It was literally a minute away from la engangihlala khona. So I was very fortunate about that. I didn't have to spend much money on transport. And what I did there, I was a casual, so they would call me whenever they need me. I was earning 21 rand point something an hour. And what I did there was I would receive stock. So whenever stock would come into the store, I was part of the team that would receive amabhokisi, siwavule and count the clothing and sifake ama-price tag, sifake what do we call these? Hard tag. Yes, the thing that buzzes whenever you try to steal it. Sifake ama-hanger and take it to the floor. And whenever it gets busy, they'll call us onto the floor as well. But mainly that's what we did. We worked at the back, and it was really nice. The manager, Ulisha, was was kinda strict, but she was really nice. Dana as well. So I'm really fortunate. I was able to do some things ngaleyo mali ngakwazi ukuthi ngithenge ifridge lasekhaya. Ngiyabonga ngikwazi nokuthi ngisendele isigrizi imali. So it was really nice. It was the year after my matric, and it was really easy getting that job. It was just a matter of getting out of the house and looking for a job, printed the CV, and I think it was the first time I got out the house and I got the job. So that job lasted for 6 months, from June 2018 to December 2018. I actually walked away from that job because they were not giving me my day off. So I was like, nah, I'm good. I vied because I'd gotten isikole food. Oh, with the money I made from this job, I was able to apply for ilokunj, apply for university, and I got admission into the university at DUT. And then the following year, I mean, near the end of the following year, I got another job. So I quit this one in December 2018, and then the following year, in November 2019, I got a job at Starbucks. This was really, really exciting. And the thing that made me look for this job was because I didn't have UNESFAS funding, so I didn't have funding. So I struggled almost the entire year, for basic stuff. So it was really challenging. But because of this, I was able to go look for this job, and I got it. So at first it was gonna be a 3 month contract from November to January as like a December thing, festive contract, and they decided to keep me on as a permanent part-time. And you know how it goes at Starbucks. When you coffee, I'm a frappuccino, you serve the sandwiches and stuff, shy passing, at clean store. It was really nice, like learning a new skill. Like I enjoy lesi sikhathi sami e-Starbucks, improving leso skill, starting from being just umuntu obhasayo and then making the beverages, you know, on and on and on and on. For the first time working customer service on a one-to-one, you know, and that was really, really nice. And I worked at Starbucks from November 2019, and I was really fortunate to go to the following year, COVID, and I was still earning money from a Starbucks. And the following year, I got to NSFAS one, so I was really not rich, but It was a huge difference compared to 2019 or 2020 onwards. It was a huge, huge difference. So from 2019, November 2019 to December 2021, I worked at Starbucks, and then I quit because kwasengasekho right. Ngangisebenza kulo Starbucks ola eThekwini ePhava, and if you actually Google my name, I think you'll find a complaint about me because I had an altercation with one customer, and he actually left a review on the Starbucks website. You can just Google me, you'll find the one that is very dismissive. You know, I learned a lot. I learned a lot kule span less. I fought with my managers. I was not a great employee, but I was good at my job. I had those little things that were wrong with me. So I decided to quit Starbucks. And the reason why I quit Starbucks is because I thought I was gonna get an internship eGoli, but that didn't happen. So I moved back home eNtemisweni, ngabe uMahlalela nje. And then kwathi ngoFebruary the following year, me and my friends decided to start a business lamakhekhe. We called it Baking Works. Eventually we called it Baking Works. Sasibhaka ama-muffin, sibhakele iy'kole, sibhakele nje ama-organization amancane, and that was really nice from February 2022. Yeah, iyonto esasiyenza nje basically, yabo. And that was really nice mfethu. And into yangi-motivate ukuthi ngiqale leli business lamakhekhe ikona ukuthi ngangisebenza ebhizinisini lokudla. So ngangiyibona i-potential, ngangiyibona nemali, but I didn't know ukuthi it took so much work. So same year ngawo 2022 ngayithola-ke i-internship as a lamp operator on a film set. That was really, it was life-changing, I'm not gonna lie. It was one of the best experiences of my life. I worked there for 500 hours, from October 2022 to December 2022. Ngangitshela ukuthi ngizoqhubeka ngithole eminye imisebenzi, kodwa it's been quiet since then. Yabo, yonke engayifundela esikoleni, working in the film and television industry. I was working in the lighting department. Kwakumnandi nakhona lana. I learned a lot about how to make movies. Ngesikhashana nje sey'nyangana lezi sixabana futhi necrew yami. Yabo, I still had some things I needed to work on. Kodwa yeah, waphela kanjalo-ke i-internship, and yabo, bese-ke ngawo uDisemba wo-2022 saqhubeka naye ibhizinisi lamakhekhe leli. Sasuka-ke eNtemisweni saya eNanda manje. Yabo, sizama ukuthi siyiphushe lento. Manje sayeka ukudayisela iy'kole, sasinomjini wesidayisela sisasemakhaya, and then sathi sesenanda sasidayisa u-door to door. Mhlawumbe umothi osenanda uzongibona, sasidayisa ka-C neMangwe eNanda, nakaMashu-ke laphana ko-M mangaphosisi. Yabo, sibuye sidayisa namakhekhe lawe birthday. And honestly izinto zami mayilunga ngizoliqala futhi le business, kodwa because izinto zasezinzima kanjena, from December 2022 up to March 2023, I decided to walk away from lelo business. Mina namajita sasingasaboni ngaso linye. Yabo, ngabona ukuthi lento izosixabanisa, ngahlehla ngabuyela ekhaya-ke lapha, and I was unemployed from March 2023 up to October 2023. Bese kwathi ngo-October 2023 I got a message from LinkedIn. Ngibizwa enye law firm, one of the best law firms in Africa. But was uzobe receptionist lana, but kahle kahle was uzoshaya ikhofi. Yonto bangibiza kanjalo because ngine-experience yase-Starbucks. But uzoshaya ikhofi, uzoba i-receptionist futhi uhandlishe ezinye izinto zase-office. So nakhona ngene isinye iskill lana, ukuba i-receptionist, ukuba i-stationery manager, ukuhandlisha yabo nje office services, basically yonto engangiyenza lapha kuleya law firm. And it was nice working in a completely different environment, yabo, office environment. It was really toxic though, kodwa it was nice. It was a nice learning experience, even though I would never do this again. I hate an office environment. Kodwa from October 2023 all the way to August 2025 I was working there. Bese waphela kanjalo kumsebenzi kuze kube manje ku-2026 manje, May 2026, and I've been unemployed since then. Kodwa izinto engangizenza throughout sonke lesikhathi izona ezingilondolozayo in terms of financial survival. Uma ngizobeka kanjalo, angihluphi umuntu, angicela imali kumuntu, ngalokho abantu abacela imali kumina. Angisho ukuthi ngi-rich noma nginjani, kodwa ngiyabasiza abantu abasondelene nami uma bedinga imali, and I don't need much money njengoba ngihlele ekhaya. Kodwa if I'm gonna like reflect on all of this, where am I going now? Njengamanje I'm working on going back to the film industry, on just specializing with lighting, on being a gaffer, on being a DP, because yonke engayifundela leyo. It's about time I actually applied yonke lento engangiyifundela. And I've been talking to Lokhunja, team leader wami, igaffer le engangisebenza ngaphansi kwayo kuleya movie set. So I'm working on getting getting more jobs under him and just doing that. And I think I needed all of these job experiences ukuze ngi-improve indlela yokuthi ngiyiphathe, indlela yokucommunicate nabantu emsebenzini, ezinye izinto ngingayi-attendi yabo. And I needed to go through all of this ukuze angisho ukuthi ngi-right kodwa I'm better than what I was ngisasebenze The Hub yabo. Kodwa mangathiwa nginayo imali engiyidingayo noma ke sithi mangathiwa ngiyidinga imali ngingasebenza e-Starbucks because I think iyona into engayi-enjoya kakhulu ukuthi phela ayinamali ukuba ibarista kunamali. Kodwa nje I really enjoyed working there. Uma ngizoqhathanisa kuwona wonke lama jobs esengibe nawo, ukusebenza e-Starbucks kumnandi because you are dealing with customers, you are seeing smiles on their faces, and you are dealing with many different hundreds of people each and every day. Yabo, so i-experience entsha njalo and exciting, especially uma kubhizi. I enjoyed working the bar. Ukusebenza ebar ngenza ama-beverage amaningi. I enjoyed the pressure yalaphana yabo, ikona ukuthi akunamali. Kodwa mangathiwa impela nje I'm settled, noma ngathiwa ngiwina ilotho manje, iwona umsebenzi engayowenza lo. Phela kodwa ke lo ukuba yi-lamp operator has better potential of, you know, of earning more money. Ukusebenza kuma-movie basically iyona into engayifundela le e-university. So yeah, hawu kwenzakalani.